Hello and welcome to Eli and Eden Creative. My name is Pam, and today I am working on another prototype. This is a journal that I helped, I didn't help, I actually did design it. I've been getting help from people in my life who have the same kind of interesting, busy, neurodivergent brain like me. So this is called Days of Balance. It's a journal that I created to help take care of all the different parts of my life that are important to take care of. Things that I forget to do sometimes simply because of the way that my brain is. So I created something that helps me to touch on every single part of the day. And you might go, why do you even need something like that? Isn't that stuff just like automatic? And you'd be surprised, because no, it isn't automatic. It is something that needs to be worked on every single day. For people who have divergent brains like me. So this, I wanted to just sort of be a relaxing video showing me putting together some journals. I'm still thinking of different ways that I can get this out to people who might wish to have something like this in their day. I am looking into different ways of maybe even creating a journal that could be out for market in a bigger way. I just want to make sure that it fits, that it works, that it's something that's easy enough for brains like mine to deal with. So if this is something that you struggle with and you just sort of need something that's structured but not bossy, something where you have some autonomy and you get a say in what you get to do, maybe consider trying out my Days of Balance. I've made it so that it's about 90 days, 92 days worth of days. So if you fill them in, there's like enough so that if you mess up or whatever, you have a day, or if you need to, you have some extra time days in there to fill in. So mine are sort of like in the different seasons of the year for me. So spring, summer, fall, winter. And so because I am starting my summer journal this year, I've taken out some of the heavier study stuff because honestly, we just don't have time. We have a big garden and a lot of things that we want to do outside, and sitting in the house and reading and studying, that's really not where we want to be right now. We want to be creating some cool things outside and enjoying the sunshine while we have it. So I created a more simplistic version of the journal for fair weather days when outside time is a lot easier to do. So that's what I'm creating today. One for me and one for my partner, because we both find that it helps us to take care of a lot of things. So you're invited to follow along on this journey. And if you're interested in a journal like this for you in your life, please go to my website and sign up for my newsletter, and I'll keep in contact with you about it. We're still testing. We're in beta, but we're still testing. And I would love to help more people. That would be awesome. Thank you so much for your time, Tara.